guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. My name is Shayna. Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. So for today's look, I'm doing a festive St. Patrick's Day makeup look. I haven't did one I think in 2 years now, so it was about time that I did another one. If you guys want to see how I created this face, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I am going to be looking this way because I'm filming on my phone. So first things first, oh yeah, and then also on and off the lighting is going to be different because I have a little selfie light that I specifically use for my phone, like only. So whenever I'm not recording on my phone, that light is going to be off just because it dies very fast, which I don't know why. So for a brow pencil, I'm going to use the Cosmikology brow pencil in name Earthstone. All Cosmikology products will be in my website down below at mydailychoice.com/therealshaynaa. Okay, so I'm going to be using quite a few palettes today, but the main ones are going to be Cosmikology. Since we're going in for a green look, the Cosmikology palette has like more of like deeper greens, but I am going to be using the ABH Norvina palette for certain shades of green that I'm looking for. So I'm going in for like a semi like half cut crease type of look. So first things first, I'm going to go in with the Natural Goddess palette, taking this shade right here, and I'm just gonna like set that all over the lid. Not too much though, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hempworks Cosmikology palette, and I'm taking the shade Peace, and this is gonna go in the crease, and we're kind of just gonna like bring this out, that like more of like a wing type of look. And then I'm going to place it on the inner corner over here, and it's just going to be in one spot. We're not going to put it in the middle, just right here, because I'm going to do a cut crease right here, and I kind of just want that separation. Now I'm going to go in the Norvina palette, and I'm going to take this shade here, A4, and apply that on top. This has more of like a green undertone, whereas the other shade is like a little more like a yellowy undertone. But this is going to be different like shades of green that I'm looking for. Next, I'm going to take the shade E1, and this is going to go right here. I'm going to pack that on. Back in with the blending brush, back to the shade A4. I'm going to blend that. A lot of blending and adding some shade, because as you blend, sometimes the color can kind of disappear. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Karma palette by Cosmikology, and I'm gonna take this very deep army green. It's called Enchant, and I'm gonna take that, and we're gonna deepen up that green. And then we're gonna soften it up a little bit. Like that. Now I'm taking some concealer and I'm just gonna carve out the crease right here. And if you feel like you have too much concealer here, you can take off some product with your finger and just gotta tap it. And it should look something like that. Let me get some tissue. Now I'm going back in with the Natural Goddess palette, and I'm gonna go back in with that first shade that I took earlier, right here. And this is gonna go all over where I cut the crease to set it. And now we're gonna go back in with all the green shades that I added because I want to bring it in more over here. So back in with Hempworks palette, the shade Peace. We're gonna go back and just touch up. Now I'm using the NYX eyeliner. I'm using the Cosmikology highlight and contour palette for this video, for the contour and highlight. And I'm just gonna put some highlight here. It's very pigmented, I like it a lot. Then I'm gonna elongate it right here. And then I'm going to put on some mascara, lashes, be right back when I do the other eye. So for primer, I'm using the Cosmikology Aura Primer. And I am running out, as you can see. I legit feel like I look like a peacock right now. No cap. Now, while that's settling in the skin, I'm going to use the Cosmikology Halo Foundation. This is how it looks like. I am running out, so I may have to open up a new box. That's why I have it out right now. But yeah, I'm going to go in with that. So YouTube decided to copyright my instrumental music that I use under my videos for like years now. Like I've been using the same song for years, and now they want to copyright it. So whenever I talk in my videos, whatever, there's not gonna be any music, even when it's fast forward, because of that, until I find something that I can put behind my videos while you guys are like watching, so it doesn't seem as like boring. I feel like music adds character to videos. So sorry about that. That's not my fault. That is YouTube's fault. For concealer, I ran out of the Cosmikology one, so we're gonna go back with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm using the Juvia's Place Cream Blush in the shade Blush Lily. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in the shade Caramel. Now I'm going back in with the Cosmikology palette to set under the eyes. But before I do that, I gotta make sure there's no creasing. And then to contour, I'm taking the shades Sahara, Ray, Aaliyah. These three, I always mix it whenever I contour my face. For blush, I'm using the blush Castillo by Cosmikology. Now I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, center of my forehead, and the highest points of my cheeks. Now to set my face, I'm using the Alchemist Transformation Mist. This is gonna set the makeup in place. Now for lips, I'm using the NYX Downtown Beauty 22 Lip Pencil by, yeah, I already said NYX, right? Yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with Honey Love Lipstick by MAC. Then I'm gonna use Cosmikology's gloss in the shade Starburst. And this is the final look. What do we think? What do we think? Cute, cute, cute. Love how it came out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at therealshaynaa. TikTok is with 2 A's at the end. Also, don't forget to check out my website at mydailychoice.com/therealshaynaa. Link will be right here, also in the description, where you can get all of your Cosmikology makeup that I use in today's video. Also, if you want, follow me on Snapchat at therealshaynaa. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video.